Hello guys, I am back on the video. Today I'm going to be showing you the best ways to make money in CubeCraft Skyblock. So hold on, let me jump on real quick. So basically I'm on a laptop. This will work for any version. Doesn't matter if you're on PlayStation, because they actually recently added PlayStation to servers. So first of all, you have to unlock the taiga biome and the second biome. Hold on, let me flip it around real quick. So basically, a good way is to.
Text Mackenzie and have to bring a shirt in.
It's actually chickens and cows for me right now, and then I just made this big thing. Hold on, oh guys. Yeah. Sorry. I just don't want them to escape. My favorite best way, because I like to farm on Minecraft, is this. Potatoes for now, because this is really all I can do. This will make you quite a bit, but cobble doesn't do anything. This is all of it. Pumpkins, trash, all this other stuff. This is good. Hi, I'm gonna take you guys to another spot where I make money. Alright. So basically, this third best way is to grow grass and actually harvest it with a silk touch thing. Here, as you can see, you actually have to have the skyblock HUD, or hub, known as that, unlocked, so that way you can enchant this plus the taiga biome. So that way you can enchant your stuff. The reason why I make so much money off of those stuff over there, like the cows and the chickens, is just because the feathers sell for a lot, and I have looting too, and I'm breaking one of my stone sword. That's all I can have right now, because iron and all that other stuff is unlocked later on. So, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and see you guys later. Bye.